Hi guys, in this video I'm going to discuss about what is pipeline. A pipeline is a logical group of activities that together perform a task. A pipeline could contain a set of activities that ingest and clean log data and then kick off a mapping data flow to analyze the log data. The pipeline allows you to manage the activities as set of instead of each one individually. You deploy and schedule the pipeline instead of the activities independently. So simple guys, pipeline is going to perform some group of activity that needs to be perform a task. Like for example, if you want to move a file from one blob storage to another blob storage, you can utilize this pipeline with help of copy activity. So the pipeline will be the copy activity has to perform the task which are moved to file from one location to another location. So this kind of scenarios we normally utilizing the pipeline. So in this example, I'm going to showcase you. I already show in this ADF for authorization page. So if you go here in this folder, for example, this is like one copy activity. Okay, this is copy activity. Outside, when I click on this is pipeline, guys. Here the properties tab we can see this is the pipeline, and in this pipeline it contains one copy activity. In this copy activity has responsibility to get the data from the source data set, nothing but like it is connected with the linked services. Then it is pointed to the particular blob storage. From the blob storage, again it is loading into blob storage in another folder. So this is the set of activities, set of configuration I have designed in this copy activity, and this pipeline has responsibility to whenever I click on debug or whenever I click from publish, right? The responsibility of pipeline has to perform this copy activity, and it will send the data to from blob storage to another blob storage. So or in that blob storage only, like that based on your scenarios, the pipeline will perform set of activities together. So this is about pipeline, guys.